Hello and welcome. My name is Mr. Isaac Daisy, and you are currently watching my playthrough of a game that is a change from the normal pace of story and horror and everything else. It is called MewnBase. MewnBase. It is not a secret to my circle of friends or anything like that, but I like cats. I very much love cats. Cats are amazing. They are fuzzy little bundles of love that will they're just fucking great. I love them. And this is just like a cat-based moon simulator. I have no real idea. I kind of just saw it and I was like, I need this in my life. So this is fucking adorable. We're just gonna Oh, I think I just saw that's like the darkest color I'm gonna get. It's like a deep purple. What's the cat's name? Space cat. Name your space cat. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna go with the normal stuff I type in. Tutorial, mission, endless mode, face. Oh, yes. Apologies, I'm always like fucking burping in my videos. World, we'll just do tutorial. We'll find out about what a MewnBase is. Found this on itch.io. Oh, I love this. This is amazing. Is this an actual like base simulator? Welcome to planet JVI 108. Use the WASD to move. Okay. While outside, keep an eye on your oxygen and suit power. Ooh, I see it. You also need to eat. Oh, this is a whole survival game. Jeez. There's some plants over there next to the base. I see it. And left click to pick them up. Okay, cool. Not a big deal. I love the axe that this cat is using. You know, its paw. Just the axe sound is amazing. And we can build. Cool, cool. Use those plants to craft some food at the workbench. This plant slop. Cool. Cool. I like. Left click the food to eat. Wait, no. And then right click to eat. Okay. Oh my god, look at its mouth. I'm gonna waste this food, but look at it. That's adorable. What is this? Shut up, game. Now I'm busy. Oh, I need a actual tool. Yes, ice. Any airlock? No. Busy. Different tool. Hold on, I need more foodstuffs. Dude, and a seed? I bet I could. Yes. Grow into a leafy plant. Now what's this? Then click it to close the door. Oh, that's so cool. Bases have a limited supply of oxygen, but this one has an air cleaner that keeps producing more. Alright. You can pick up and move base modules to arrange them however you want. Alright. Holding down, right click on that bottom habitat. Okay, so this. Okay. Now we own this. Oh, come on. Now go outside and equip the module you just picked up and right click an empty area to... Right there? Oh, I was hoping it was going to connect, but it didn't. Let me in! Let me in! Modules placed adjacent to another can share their power and oxygen supply. Kinda gather that. You can also drop items from your inventory on the ground with the Q key. By selecting it and then hitting Q. Can I not drop stuff inside the base? Q key. Okay. Finally, around the world you'll find strange artifacts. You'll need to collect and process these in a research lab to unlock new tech upgrades. Okay. This button opens the By the way, I just want to mention that this is a very fleshed out game, and I got this for like $6. $6 US. I'm gonna have to go back and pay more money because this is amazing. Alright, we're on our own now. Can't sprint. That's fine. I don't really care to sprint. Kind of got a weird line going on right there whenever I run. Oh, and right there. Foodstuffs. Can I take this? Not sure what scrap metal will be good for, but I think later on in the game I can assume. Again, apologies. I'm just a very gassy individual. Oh, during the nighttime there is no power. But I still get oxygen. That's all that matters. I can get a shovel. What's this thing? I can get a workbench. See? Smelter. There we go. And we need scrap. What's this? Research lab. This requires metal plate, some scrap, and electronics. To get electronics, we need wire and metal plate. To get wire, we need just normal metal plate. To get a metal plate, we probably need to melt biofuel generator. That's cool. Wow, that's not okay. Oh, this is just an oxygen tank. It looked like a fire extinguisher. Oops. So craft this. Don't worry, I'm keeping an eye on the oxygen. It's fine. Can we go in here? Nope. I can't get over the like how adorable it is. Okay, can't use that. I can do this though. What's that? A rock. What's a rock for? I think I need an axe for that one. Or, nice. I have a light. What I gotta do? What's this? Ice. I don't know why I need ice, but I'm not gonna complain. Hey, just got free electronics. Free stuff is nice. You like free. I like free. We all like free. Can I have this? Fruit. Nice. This wood? Hell yeah. No, no, no. Okay. I enjoy the compass on the screen too. That's cool. It's a very pleasant game. I just eat this, right? Some kind of space orange. Hey. Suit power offline. Oh no. It's because I left the headlamp on. Regret. There we go. So can I put that workbench inside this house? Is that a thing? That requires actual stuffs. Oh, this requires rocks. Let's go get some more rocks. That probably require... No, did it require a pick? I don't think it would require an axe. That'd be weird. Let me axe this rock. Ooh, ooh, what's this? Ooh, that took a while. Artifact. And the rock. You know, Dwayne Johnson. That guy? Just picked him up. Great stuff. But I have enough rocks. Oh, I only have 3. I thought I already had 3. Didn't already have 3. Let's make 2 of those. Let's do some of this stuff. I have a... Keep collecting ore, but I'm not collecting enough rocks. Can I assume that I can make a storage base or something? Do I need some form of... I think I need some form of planter to get that one. So let's craft this. Nice. Why won't you let me put you in there? Oh, beam. Let's just craft like 4 metal plates. Hold on. Oh, the base only has so much oxygen in it. Nice. Cool. It's gonna stand in this room with the oxygen. Great plan. Now I can get this, but why would I need this if I don't have really anything really to use it with? Oh no, I need one more. Craft this. Kinda wish there was music in the game, but... Oh no. Snag out the rest of that oxygen. If only I had one more component, I could just craft this. Battery 0, 0. Is that rain? It's raining. That's weird. So how's it going? Kinda just have to hang inside. What does this do? Whoa! Research log. Construction yard, a jackhammer, pavement, wood floor, habitat module, airlock, air cleaner. Oh, you need samples? Water, root stew, hearty meal, garden patch, grow your own food supply. I think that is the first thing we need. Requires construction to create engines. Mark II suit. Way fancy suit for exploring the hostile world. Metal plate. And now I can go here. And now I can do this. It's a very, very relaxed game, I've got to say. What? I can put it here. Or I can't put it here. Well, I'm gonna put it on this side of the airlock. Yeah. Research lab. No power. How on earth am I supposed to continuously give you power if the sun does nothing for us? Let's just run off in one direction and see what this has entail for us. Entail. Another one. Oh, my bad. You ate the artifact. So, fact about cats. Not fact about cats. Fact about myself. Regarding cats. My favorite type of cat is the Scottish fold. Well, that and the Munchkin. But who doesn't love a good Munchkin cat? They're adorable. They're tiny little legs. Downside is that I don't think I'll ever have either of those cats, because both of those cats, and or one with both of those features, because they just have so many health issues, and there it is. On all my health. I have not, and do not currently, have the said ability to be able to take care of a cat like that, because there's so many needs that they have, and I'll just feel so bad, because the cat would probably just end up being like a huge bundle of love and joy, and it would just end up being like just a general piece of shit to the cat, because I'm not able to take it to the doctor on a regular basis, which would suck. That's all that ever matter. So, why is this not getting power? My only... Like, I don't quite understand. Is it not getting power because it's running off that? How do I get more power besides just the generator-y thing? Because I need two of those, 2 components. And to get 2 components, I'm not sure what I need. Because I just found 1 component. Do I have to just continue to pull these up in hopes of components, or... Got some oxygen. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what I had to do. Just had to gather components, and now we have enough to build a biometric thing. We've got enough food to not have to worry about anything, and then hopefully that'll be the power we need to research the item that we have, or get lost. Okay, cool. Come here. Build this lot. It's probably a bad idea to continuously put things in the same place. It's like, you know, I only have a 4-size base. What if I need to put more in? Oh. Oh. Oh, that's not what I wanted to happen. Hey, that is so neat. The generator has power for 2, and then hopefully when it... Am I gonna need to build a second one? Cause like now it's built that on. Let's just turn everything off here. We'll move solar panels up. Move this down here. And now that's right. Okay, see, got a handle on things. Alright, so now we got power. We don't have the ability to make food yet, but hopefully we'll get there. We're gonna research the shit out of this. Yeah, I think that's a good start. We have no samples. We have no research log. The first thing we're going to do is build a garden patch. Maybe. If we go with construction, then we can create a construction yard. Build more complex base and habitat modules. But power would be nice too. Protected cables that can link up base modules. Cool. Power switch. Better manage your base's power. And light. And there's a battery and a wind turbine. Wow. And nuclear power? Wow. RTG generates power through radioactive decay. Crazy. Large battery. Lightning collector. What's this? Storage? Oh hey, storage. Indoor storage, storage container, this stuff. Food production, greenhouse. Grow your own food supply in style. Water supply, rain collector, and water spigot. Engine. Navigation, nav light, comms tower. Transportation. Recycling, refined scrap. Advanced modules, an auto airlock, a med bay, repair drone, and a powered rain collector. And then the cool suit thing. That's all they got. Are you done? Let's click this real fast. You discovered new research log. Plus 5 research points. So now that's going to research. Can I just immediately toss you in? Yes. Alright, so we're going to spend these research points. Probably should spend it on this first. Oh. Oh, I didn't even think of that. So that's just literally unlock the whole section. I thought I had to, like, pick one. That changes everything. This game just become a, like, hell of a lot easier. Anchor to jacket. Alright, so this was MewnBase with cats. Love cats. Cats are great. I'm gonna leave this here, and I'm probably gonna just playing this on my own without recording because this is too fun of a game to just kind of have you watch it. You just fucking play it on its own. It's $6. Donate more. Dude, these people are fucking... Whoever made this is a great person. My life is slowly coming together now, piece by piece, all because of this one game. Cats in space. And it's a survival game. It's adorable. Hold on. Hold on. I have no food. Oh no. Oh no. Problems. Grab this quick. Eat this. Nom nom nom. Nom nom. That's fucking adorable. Alright. So, if you like what I'm doing here, please feel free to subscribe and leave a like on the video. If you like the game and you do want to try it, I'll definitely leave a link or a description below because this game is great. Love this game. If you have questions, comments, concerns, data complaints, and or suggestions, because that's an additive thing now, about no power. How are you still running then? Suggestions regarding how, like, to better record and or different settings I could use to possibly up my recording game. I'd love to hear it. I love any comments that show up in the comment section. Any comments. But yeah, I appreciate that you stopped by my place to watch a few videos, or just this video, or any videos for that fact. And I hope that you stop by again soon to watch some more content. Because I kind of just make it for fun, so yeah. It's my home right now. I hope to see you sometime in the future. Yeah, still haven't figured out an ending. Just gonna deal with it. Take it easy.